I'm in the kitchen again one more time with another recipe. We're gonna make a simple little salad. I got some leftover rocket and I decided to make a salad in the morning, yeah, for lunch. Alright, now red pepper. Alright, gonna cut up some red pepper. Just gonna dice them up very finely. Yeah. I got a little knife, but I like to use this knife because I used to this one so much. You know what I mean? Dice up some red pepper. Basically we have a pear which we're going to also add to it. You know what I mean? Something new to the menu. Alright guys? Yeah man. You can put pear and apple. Very healthy recipe, and that's exactly what we're talking about. Healthy lifestyle. Yeah man. Celery. Nice one. Yeah. That's the celery. That's green pepper. Put a little bit of few green pepper in it. Yeah, nice one. I mean, got some cucumber. Nice one. Yeah, looking good. Lovely and simple and nice and unique. Also we got some tomato. Yeah, that looking good. Nice one. Ready one in. That's it. You know what I mean? Bring it on the board. We just add a few more ingredients to it. Bring up the flavor, like I'm gonna put a little bit of dry chili. Some black pepper. Nice one. So that look good. That's exactly what we're talking about. You can put a garlic dressing in it, but me personally, I don't hardly use dressing in my salad. I keep it simple. I mean, you don't want to start get the thing on a different level. Look at this now. Yeah, look at this beautiful salad. Yeah, that's exactly what we are talking about. Yeah, simple and unique. All right, guys. Yeah, man. Simple and unique. Yeah. So when you make something like this at home, everyone love it, everyone happy, and then we have salad. Trust me. Simple and very easy to make at home. I want you guys to enjoy the recipe. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Please tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. And remember, we have a lot more recipes and a lot more ideas will be coming from Chef Ricardo and team. How to make a very unique and healthy salad at home. This one is from Chef Ricardo and the team, and I will see you next time in the kitchen again with more recipe. Can go for weight loss and also, all right, healthy lifestyle. Healthy living lifestyle is the best thing you could ever do at home. See you next time in the kitchen with more recipe. Bye bye. Nice one, guys. So basically I'm in the kitchen. What I'm going to do is I'm gonna get some cucumber put inside of my blender. Yeah. Yeah, man. This is how we're going to do it. some ginger. Alright, this knife right here is on Chef Ricardo website. You can get it to buy. 10% off at the moment. And it's one of the best knives you can have in the kitchen to do your stuff. Look at this, very sharp. Look at this. Very, very, very sharp for your cucumber, for your vegetables, for your bits and pieces what you want to do at home, alright? Yeah. Gonna get some lemon. So this sharp, look. It's so sharp, guys. Honestly, that's got through anything where you want to cut at home, alright? Look at that. You don't need to stress yourself when you're using this knife. Very small and handy to do things at home. Cucumber juice. I mean, yeah. That's what we're doing at the moment. So the reason why I'm just using some, I'm using a older cucumber because 95% of the cucumber is just water, alright? The other 5% is just fiber. So, yeah, now watch what I go on right, that's all. I mean, just push it down a little bit on it. We're gonna put some organic honey in it. 1 teaspoon, we don't want it too sweet. Keep it real, you know? And a little bit of water. Alright, now blend up this for about 2 to 3 seconds. Oh, go on. Should be blending up everything, not freezing. Don't need to blend it too long. You know what I mean? Cucumber is easy to blend. It's not something which is very, very, you know what I mean, long to blend. It's very, very simple and easy. Alright, so now it's gonna run it through my strainer. You know what I mean? We're not gonna be having the fiber. Yeah. Yeah, that's gonna get all of that liquid out of it. Amazing. Yeah, man. Really nice. Can smell that lovely ginger off of it. Get all of the liquid out, you know. Yeah, that's it. Not looking good. Yeah, things looking really nice and amazing. So we like to do it in the kitchen. All right, look at that. Fantastic and amazing. Yeah. Nice. You know what I mean? Yes, that's it. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo show. Got a lot more recipes, a lot more ideas will be coming from Chef Ricardo and team. Please tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. Cucumber juice with ginger and lemon, fresh homemade with a little bit of honey. Not too much honey, you know what I mean? Because we don't want it too sweet. Alright? But if you like the recipe, please tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. And subscribe is very important for Chef Ricardo and the team. Look at that. Fresh homemade cucumber juice recipe from Chef Ricardo. 100% guys. You can't go around with this. It's just amazing and fantastic to make at home. Very, very nice recipe. Alright. Yeah. Yeah, remember the knife? This is a knife, guys. As I said, this knife is available on Chef Ricardo website. Very sharp, very nice to do things at home, you know what I mean? If you want to cut certain things which is small, like fruits, apple, pear, strawberry, and all these little things, banana, you know what I mean? Yeah, got the kids them going back to school soon, so you need to prepare yourself, alright? Might get yourself a nice knife like this to cut things at home. Is on Chef Ricardo website, chefricardo.co.uk. Alright, you go on it, go to stores, and also you can just buy one of these nice lovely knife to do things at home. It is so very easy and simple to use, guys, and handy, but very, very sharp. So please beware and be careful when you're using it. Alright, so if you like the cucumber juice, as I said, I will post the video on my Instagram. Go back to my Instagram and watch this one beautiful cucumber juice recipe from Chef Ricardo. And tell a friend, and a friend, tell a friend. Alright? Respect, and I love every one of you. And I will see you next time in the kitchen with more recipe. This one said, bye bye. See you next time. Bye bye.